Welcome to another edition of Quick Tips with Kris. In this episode, we're going to look at some different ways to navigate through plan view and 3D view, especially some that you may not know about. So we'll start off in the plan view, which is a 2D view. So we already know if you want to pan, you're going to press and drag the right mouse button. If you want to pan at a slower rate, you're going to press Alt and do the same thing. You know that if you want to zoom, you use your scroll wheel to zoom in or out. And if you want the same thing, if you want to zoom in or in and out at a slower rate, you can press Alt and then zoom in and out. Now, the one you may not know about is rotate. If you use Control and Shift and then your mouse wheel and you drag it in the direction that you want to be up in your plan view, you're going to press Control and Shift and then drag your rubber band, and then now this side is up. If you wanted this side to be up, we're going to press Control and Shift and then drag in that direction. Now sometimes you're not going to be able to get it back exactly the way that you want it. So I'm just going to take and do this. It's going to be pretty hard to get it back exactly. Easiest way to do it is we'll come up here to plan view and simply open a new plan view, and that one's set directly like it was to start with. Now we'll take a look at the 3D view. Much the same way. You've got the pan just like we had, and you can press Alt to do it slower. We've got zoom, and then we can press Alt to zoom in and out at a slower rate. And if you want to rotate in all directions, you just simply press on your scroll wheel and you can rotate in any direction. One thing about when you're rotating, sometimes, wherever you click the rotation, you can see the little crosshair down there, little gray crosshair. That's where your rotation point is. If you want to set a static rotation point, you'll press Alt and then click on the point that you want to be your rotation point. I'm going to come down here to the southeast corner, and you can see that no matter where I go, you can see that stays there. Now, if you want to clear that static rotation point, you'll click Alt and click on your object again to clear it, or click off of your object to clear it. Now, some of the things that people may not know, if you want to rotate horizontally only, you can do that. Press Shift and rotate the mouse wheel. If you want to rotate vertically only, you'll press Control and rotate the mouse wheel. And then finally, if you want to exaggerate vertically, we'll take and get it down here like this. So if we want to exaggerate vertically, we'll press Control and Shift and then rotate the mouse view. So that exaggerates that verticality. And then once again, if we want to get back to our original, we just click on 3D view and create a second 3D view. And we're back to where we were. Thanks for watching another Quick Tips with Kris.